And let's roll on from the Corvette to the '69 Yenko Camaro Rally Green. This is the one that you shouted out Scotty Camaro on. And those of you who are wondering, gee, is it that Scotty Cameron? Yeah, it's that Scotty Cameron.
He's a car lover.
Yeah, that's cool. Very cool. 150 grand and going up quickly here. Not a surprise.
L72 power. That is the aluminum intake manifold. 425 horsepower, 427. 4-speed, 410 gears. Real deal Yenko Camaro here. And how about Rally Green as a color?
Love it.
Period correct tack and gauges. Hurst shifter, white knob.
Well, you're probably tired of hearing me say this, but that same engine, the Corvette in 1966, was rated at 450 horsepower. And then GM kind of got spooked a little bit. Insurance companies, government, they were kind of getting too much attention, so they downgraded it. Same engine to 425 horse.
300. Yes.
Okay, they got 3.
295 I have.
They got 295. We got to do 3. Yeah.
All right, reserves off. We just hit $300,000.
310. Right back. 310.
310.
315. 15.
So let's see if that's a smart move, asking for a $5,000 bid increase. The bidder went 10, but it didn't. Went to 315, now we're at 320. So we have a classic bidder battle going on, Scott.
Yep.
And we're right at the number for what the 68 sold for yesterday, so there you go.
That's right, exactly. I think, what did it sell?
325.
325.
$330.
You're sticking with that, aren't you, the rest of the way today?
$330,000 for that gorgeous '69 Yenko.
Featuring a Don Hardy 2.9-liter Whipple charge V8 and an automatic. You're back. 300. Good pretty. 200.